We will hereby establish a report committee to prepare the beginning of the development of innovation activities. The goal is to create many silos capable of new kinds of innovation activities already by 2020, and one day an innovation will yet happen in our country.
Innovation talk in Finland is like a young man talking about women. One talks about what one does not have. The requirements set for innovation activities have changed, and traditional models don't work anymore. For this reason, we have a gaping need for a new kind of practical innovativeness, which combines different experts and about which there is a ton of talk already, but no practical proof. Innovation activities are, however, really not difficult. It's only a matter of the world being full of needs that must be answered, holes that must be filled. Where can we find the holes of a large industrial company, such as Cargotec, for example, which must be filled with new innovation?
Laitteiden energiatehokkuus ja ympäristöystävällisyys ja toisaalta informaatioteknologian hyödyntäminen älykkäissä koneissa ja palveluliiketoiminnassa.
Likewise, there's a need in the public sector for new solutions that make practical life easier.
Me halutaan kehittää tamperelaisille entistä parempia palveluita, ja meiltä puuttuu välineet kehittää niitä yhdessä tamperelaisten kanssa.
Thus, the world is full of all kinds of different needs which await fulfillment. Fulfillment begins with us finding these holes. A solutions principle must be found for every hole. When an idea is invented, it's developed into a prototype, and the prototype is developed into a product functioning in practical life. And there it is. Then what makes this so difficult? There's a problem in the world, but the one who could come up with a solution doesn't notice the whole opportunity. And the one who could come up with a part of the solution doesn't know the person who could come up with the other part, because they all think alike. Or, if there's a prototype, there's no one who could make it into a real product. Thus, everyone is dabbling all alone, and everyone's know-how is wasted. We here in Tampere decided to do things in a... People have been building a new operating model in Tampere for a few years already, and now the work has been completed. It's not a mere plan or a program on innovation activities, but rather an engine room full of different kinds of machines which are already chugging at full power. The engine room is located in the Finlayson area, in a place called the New Factory. The New Factory exists so that we could join together Tampere area scientists, innovation work professionals, culture and art experts, companies' prototyping units and Tampere residents. We will unite them so that the holes in the world can be filled. In the New Factory, there are 3 parts complementing each other, and each part is run by different types of experts. Demola is a producer of new innovation sparks, flashes and demo products. At Demola, during the first operating year, prototypes for new digital products and services were born in 30 multidisciplinary projects, of which 95% were claimed for company use. More than 150 students from Tampere universities participated in these projects. In Protomo, for its part, innovation work professionals from different fields meet each other. The work of the Protomo people gives birth to new products and services, and to the company prototyping units built around them. Suuntamo is a nationalizer of innovations in which innovations born in Protomo and Demola are tested. Ordinary Tampere residents act as testers, and that offer valuable additional information for further development. More good machines are being developed, and additional parts are built into the current ones if needed. The purpose of every machine is simple: to recognize the holes that exist in the world and find the smartest ways to fill them. And what is best? This operating model has already shown that it also produces business that is successful in practice and solutions that are really beneficial. The new factory. Because there's a hole in the world.